let me ask you something. When you were linked with Beanie, how was him and Killa at that time there? Were they warring or were they good? Where were they in their saga at that time there?
I'll be a war, man.
Mm-hmm.
What a war every minute, brother. Lord God. Every minute one mix up start.
Mm-hmm.
Because when me at par with Beanie, Bounty Killers start free me more brother. Remember say me and the man turn back training.
Mm-hmm.
And then one war go broke again, where Bounty go say, possibly gringo and something, that. See? Because true, the man a claim, he here now say, and me like me arms up Beanie. See? But if me and Beanie are bad, I him and Bounty are bad. Then what you mean? And lyrics have to go make brother, what you mean?
Mm-hmm.
Because I now go up war with you and I want to war you and me turn up and look. Me a war man to remember me now. If you is a war man and a man a war your friend, then you don't have to give your friend some ammunition to answer girl and go murder boy them. See? The man them have me provide and I say, oh, all the boy gringo. Oh, a long time killer them want to kill me. Because they want to say, oh, that boy every day. The war get hot again. And then you say me mix up in a war too. So I say, push it on the gringo, this bit open. People jumped up, my opening. People look good, people looking. When you look around, mad again. So, as soon as we be and Beanie go to what he sang,
Mm-hmm.
we say, in this war, I hope you get yourself a gun. Man, I go there, I hope you get yourself a gun. Chichi Taliban, get yourself a Chichi. All right, it's a Chichi Al Qaeda, Chichi Taliban, and let me tell you so. Me that man not tap watch news, documentary, everything. Beanie them laugh at me. I say me coming like a whole man, me watch too much history and too much city, brother. But me always want to sit there and learn new thought, new city, walk one in the world, really. So when you read them, me have everything in my head already. Then computer brain be in the car. So when me say Chichi Alliance, he just a card me a join, and then me listen bit bun to say Alliance in Cronium. But the war did hot.
Mm-hmm.
And me did have to turn up in a war too. Because I go have my friend and in a war, I run left me. Me don't live so, Me a April born, brother. And last me I done up with your thing,
Mm-hmm.
Me don't switch from my side,
So it's like now you, Beanie, it's like you and Beanie versus Killa now, because you're now back in the war, as you said, because now you almost got caught up back in the war by accident. That was no war planning.
Oh, so by accident, me go mix up back in the war general. After the war, I try to run from.
Mm-hmm.
Then, but through Beanie, tell me, say, yo, hear me now? Bounty Killer. The man him a fight with you and me and you fit part. So me and him start par as a friend.
Mm-hmm.
So, for the war, I go broke back now. Me can't run left again. Me don't have to go dead now, brother, and defend your thing because you done, like, you did kind of defend me to, even though you never come out and defend me publicly. But you come and you par with me, for sure, say, you're in, like, you're in a me thing then as a DJ too, as a big top man in a game. And I was happy about that, me not lie. Because when you compare with me now and say, Gringo, me and you for real, then the most good song that man, because I remember say, you're a big general in I think doing a brother, and you acknowledge, say, yo, Gringo great,
Mm-hmm.
We can't just this him and everything. So at the same time, you would have an ulterior motive stuff, because you are come drain my brain box and told me what this stuff. I mean, woman, I want me boy you. And I tell me, I cuss me woman. Me I war with me woman now, And I say, no, woman. The mother can't say that about me general, man. Man, nah, do that. Because the man I tell me, say, be a big thing do I go do now. Just make sure say the lyrics they about and you might go make sure say me good and way and this and that and bag of synthing and rare. So me just look on him as a top man in IT and I say, yo, what you mean? Probably boss said that he might go do it. It's like, we are work together. So this man is not going to make anything go mess up. Because me I do my part to fulfill the deal, even though we never sign a deal on a paper, but we sign a deal like word of mouth deal as two friends. Where me I say, John, if you're big enough, where you win, you depend this top of your game, I just still remember the days when we used to roll away, and that's you are show me back a respect now. Me not gonna be the first if you hold out on you and bad mind you and corrupt and I think twice. Cause you see me in a bad mind. Me heart just clean and when you say I think brother, we are gonna work with you because boy, we are gonna make this thing work, general. Yeah, with Jenna. So me just start give the line them to spit. No for them. And then I like so when me I give, me not have voice to. Me have voice to. More time my voice I me song by me listen, you gone with the same way. The voice I song I when me listen, man take your voice over on different pretty random. Boy, I say you would have me borrow your song in a bro. What me I go do? Why my virgin sir? But I say alright, dad, I not say nothing, man. We make new song, man. Already. Cause song I know nothing for me make general.
Computer brain.
Computer brain, the man call me. But it start get to a point where it get like it overdo now. You know. My sister this thing I overdo. Because when me start notice now general. Me the in a camp, and me the artist. And it's like me not have no career again because everything me do now is just by you. Because if me even voice a song general, look go back me listen, and you are chatting by one stage show. If you hear me with a lyric, I'll me chat you over one part and it please mash up. By tomorrow, me hear you are chatting. So it will become when me have to start praying now when I say. But if me give you 10 lyrics to yourself, or 20 lyrics, I mean I have 115 when me I see it back, where I'm mighting them there. How come if you take my thing them and still at beat? That mean you know wow, if you do no music then you come like me I idiot then I this a game. So no matter your heart clean now, you know, you start free back songs it now and but you know to one grumble yet, you know, cause you know and why broke, you know, but at the same time you have to happy, you know. So in the game now, you get away with one night time. We couldn't take it no more, brother. We ruin we got England.
Okay.
I really run away, no brother, because my brain under stress. Cause you know what I mean? Me say things are right. Me and the man do his song. We say, get yourself a gun. Scatterbury label. And this song I must up a whole, hey brother, this song I done the road. Everywhere me go. I mean, I said, me can't understand, you know. One ticket I used to buy with David Sham, you know. I be all about in a Land Cruiser van, you know. Him and him advice all combination, you know. Now him come back, I call him and Lady Sham, you know. If the man and lady, well, like you are him, man, you know. You sex him up when you don't go to England, you know. Something is wrong, you know. And I said, and that part, I sang and take your road, and
Mm-hmm.
pam, 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 pam. Karate rhythm. Guess why? Wickedest thing was strike me in my head, me like me nearly drop down now with me that. This song I play every way, I mean, I say, blood clean. I boost me bus now, Beenie, say no anything I wrote. And then guess what? I go and dance all night. But she don't have mobile. I see song, I mash up the place, so I did there on its own. I believe I'm a virgin, go and I'm done up on its own. And when the man play a song, brother, we take your record from him. That means I take your record and look on it. I say, look on the song general.
Mm-hmm.
I Beenie Man name alone, me see on the record, and me see M. Davis in I bracket. Nothing about Don Mafia, nothing about my name, not in a nothing. Like me not dead on the song, brother. I see that, brother, nearly dead. Come here, I say, blood clean, oh, come. And when me link Scatterbury, I say, Scatter, hold that. Because Scatter them and my friend them and me bring Scatterbury them a road in a brother. And me bring Vegas them a road and all of them in. I used to carry them on the road when them and coyote and try to show them the road and say, yo, what this we do, you know. See, Bensley, the man who that day, you there in that. Me not turn me back on the youth them. When a man say, I do music, me I try to encourage man, I say, come back. When me carry Vegas gas student and a big man to advise him. I laugh when I laugh at him. When he in Clifford Cement, you know, I live at EPICCCC, you know that. See, and guess what, I'm my boss. When my car Scatterbury now and says, Scatter. Oh, come and put out and a lucky place and I don't see my name on the record. You hear man say to me, say, oh, you have to go ask about that, you know, brother. Me don't know, I have to do a boss. Let's say from me hear that, I start notice it. You know, my mind, I start praying and say, Jesus Christ Almighty, God. Word of it, yeah, people, hey, brother, when me hear the man said that, you know, say I'm my best friend when me trust with the whole of my career. I trust the man with my brain in a hungry. For demon missing them for chat for him deal with him thing. Because I feel that him a go on do back something for me in a end God that thing tell me. And me find out say, but if this a man I go tell a man say, nothing put me name or sitting on a record. That means say, in a long run, nothing, and that means nothing not dead. So I start praying. And I said, no man, this can't work, brother. This can't go so. Unless me have phone, I tell you, my woman, I cost me every minute, but there's a way of fire back at man never. From me know you do your thing, and you ever do your thing. Where you need man for. And you don't know, say, me not listen to my woman, because I curse my woman, my woman end up not be a war that. Because I have different time to be taught, all right, Mr. Man, I'm going to studio me used to do overnight, you know, brother. I mean, I go home to my woman, know, say, I studio me did no, me start there about and I can see me sometime and you think it. All my life out to mash up. I mean, I say, John, I know I work, me I do man, I beat them, I do things, man. I'm telling you, man, problem. Me start praying and so now, I don't tell no lie, no, my boss. My brain get tired, man. That is like me I do a thing and over me I feel like do the same thing. And my brain get like me I said, this not right. Because I'm not supposed to be at that place and the only thing me I do have a benefit somebody and me not see no benefit in it for me, brother. I get up with on a flight guy in there, man.
Let me ask you one thing there. When Beenie Man was touring and stuff, were you touring with him also, or what was the situation with that?
Yeah, but they see that touring something there now. We go up on tour with Beenie Man and whatever, but it was just more of a experience for me. Like, we give thanks here when can we tell you about Beenie? You know, man, when I come from this place and contact, like, it was all bad with Beenie. Beenie is a brother to me. I love Beenie from my heart in general. I know me not yet, you know. But you see, Beenie still, I don't know that. Yeah, if you just done with someone and just go live your own life, brother. And if you have your own brother, and they might move certain way where you see, say, boy, John, we don't make no sense. You don't love them from a distance because you see, being around Beenie is a lot of experiences me out, which is good to see him with. Beenie, let me tell you, Beenie is not totally, like, it's not a youth where disrespectful or treat me certain bad way in a youth. Beenie is one good youth in a general. And that's why me and the man in a car so long in a car is not a like a fussy old boy where me can just done with and hate and say, where I mean, Jaden, the man is a brother to me, brother. The man teach me about certain things in a music where me have to appreciate. And me see him doing work and me love the man career as a brother, my youth. And me love him as a brother. And when me and him go up on road or foreign or whatever, sometimes me there around him and me left gone do all me one thing and try and make a food for myself. And all if the money not right, me not try broke my wire sometimes. Because some little money we good and I get. I don't know big money, but two enough to it tour, brother. We can't make them nice. And I thought, and then sometimes me get corrupt and go and not tour to come in, bag a fly up and dog out and come home. Me still not see where me a fly from. You understand? I'm not afraid of a plane. I'm more afraid of that plane, you know, brother. When I go up and plane, me afraid to be reach when me I go give what it job. See? And anyway, me there with Beenie, I can help him. Like make a link or do a thing to make it food, make me I go do it. Me do that over and over, general. I me see food make in front of me where Beenie as my brother for just said Mafia, all that. Pop off break give me out, cause the whole of we are parasites, I mean, and live on you. Like parasite style, like me a big your money and say, me a do work to make money go in a year pocket you. Just treat me good, my brother. When you take for me and my brother live good and they treat me good, I just that type of problem, brother. So when me there at one place, and when me have somebody, then we depend different thing, cause them a big star. Me as a man was sick, which part food can name, cause half of this a link I say, yo daddy, where put all business to people and the money come for you. And when you look, the money come, and them have money in front of me, break my out, and pop a piece of every can give me that. Yeah, go style me and tell me, say, yeah, man, you go get that. And when them forget him, can't get the general. And I'm here, and you know, say, me love you for me, and they want me to do that. I'm done when you're going to live your own life, I'm going to live your own life, that man. Yo, we say, brother, I choose when I'm good on that detail about country when I go through. So, dangerous thing where some man then get wicked. I'm back, I'll gun, I'm big war and sit, and I'm not do that. Come here and say, you know why I'm not do that? But nah, this my friend in our music. Me I hold it down to the last, brother. The road we got foreign, brother. When we got foreign, me I hear a song them I play all about, I escape, me I try to escape the song, All right, let me tell you what that kill me most. Me write the song them, and me I go everywhere, and the song them I play, and everybody know the song, and everything, I when me go, me I hear them. And when me look, me can't show nothing after when me I do. It's like me just do it, and people think me alright, and me I feel pretend like me alright, and me not let down the camp neither. And then at the same time, I suffer, me I suffer that. And me I do the work that, and money I make, and me can't get no money. And when me go out foreign, I saw me go find out about publishing when me go to England and that. And when me find out about publishing thing, and the man them case and start draft up something like that, me say, queer, I tell me, I rich, I don't know what that is. And then through that now, when I time, while little vibe go on, and them I say, boy, it a go reach down to a level where a legal thing I am. True, me still rate this man as my brother. Me I say, John, give me a chance to go work on it with him. Because I don't want to reach that level there yet. And this man is brother my youth. Beenie my brother my youth, I'm going to be Beenie Man my youth. I know what I'm going to say, and I said, John, them man will set up a role again to make you roll it, yeah, and in your heart, build love you out for them. Them man will just contact some bag of thing boy and talk, oh, them man they can't write a song, them man they can't be lyrics, them man they are cooked, them man they don't live now at the same time, build love you out for them, you. And they know say I build like them at every try push it down further, and they still do it. See, but me still not hear him. But when me I tell you, say, brother, a man can only take so much and no more. And me say, again, God bless Beenie Man same way. I'm proud, me glad for the experience that I have around him as a DJ, and me learn a lot of things about you, about music around you too. See, me not gonna say it was that bad. But when it come on to money, brother, me and you can't agree. And that's why I'm done. I'm done with me. Prefer dead for my rights, brother. April, me born in 27. No man can clown me. You can only clown me for so long. Because you all a clown me, I say you clown me, I did it, I would it see you and I watch you. And you don't know, say me know when. And you see, when me make up my mind and done and gone about my business, me know no man tell me no foolishness. Because if you not do the right thing, the thing can't solve. And me not do nothing wrong. Me can't do something right, and you want me to do it right. The man will do it wrong, I ain't to do it right thing, because you are my brother, I'm a deal with you from my heart as a brother. So you have to deal with me as a brother to Batman. And everybody around him know. Say, I saw you go. Be blow them everybody, my youth. No, sir. You see me, I really hope to be the thing. I'm do my best me could I do. And give you hits on top of hits that day. When Bogle dead and the whole town want to kill you, and me there me had a fine song going here. Them tell one bad guy lie and not tell them some. Why come free my and I will be know that. So you have to say me no good. And me never do nothing for you. And me never write no song. And me write the song them going to give a people, brother, and tell you how to sing them. And I like it that to tell me to write one. Me just do song and give you. I read him to build me tell man where to play and read it. See? And me put my best in your thing. And you diss me in your end, brother. And say me a coke it, and you know say me not take no coke. And you say me a rum it, and you know say me not drink from that. And you say me can't DJ, and you know I lie. And you say me can't write song, and you know I lie. You can't tell them they lie that on me, brother. And then you always stay now. There's a man will go behind. When he come off of media, he talk good about Don Mafia. Because I know that. You know, he's not, all right, see him. He's not a man where attacks on sitting by me when he's dead half of media, you know, because he know it's true. The whole mafia, who do that man, I'm a DJ man, and very. But you see, anytime in the media, it's like man just chill and just try to put everything out there to put down that mafia to make people hate me, brother. Until live on me and say, me can't DJ and me can't ride with him and me can't this and me can't. You have to top there sitting there, and that I alone can't see problem, brother. When me just have to just want to say, me hold my own and a man hold their own. But no hard feeling, no hatred, no bad mind. I love you to the ground, you. Do your thing, man, because you don't say me I don't know nobody, I mean no good, I mean so no worry about me, man. Just do what you do, brother. I got in a brother. Hear me out there? God will help me. I mean, I always do my work and my music me live off. I mean, I'm going nobody come put me down and try me look like me can't do me because You see, same work when me do from them down there till now, I eat me still I do today. And I live off do dog plate. I always see them me do more dog. Every day man send me reading. Say, yo, right, that's angry. Yo, but me I work same way, brother. Me never stop working at that. But there's a thing in the industry called politics. Show me an outspoken person. I mean, a rebel. I mean, a tech foolishness for no guy. I'm not business way up there. Me just chat it out. I'm done with you. I mean, I'm bad, but I know how me have you. Big up Capleton, you know. Big up Butcher Bantan, them, you know. Big up every artist who read me out, the big and smiling. Very man, them, you know. Chronics, them, you know. All of them, Freddie McGregor, them, you know. No friend me having a music, you know, that. See? And you want me getting there, real. I didn't know me real. I mean, I really was my friend artists for beg them dog plate and beg them money, you know, brother. Me give you energy. And time I come around you, me give you your glory.
Mm-hmm.
Don't try make me look like me not give people. Me give people in glory. Me deal with people on a level where boys, I real way. Me don't know no other way, brother. Taurus, me can't bother the hypocrite road.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.